Hi, this is Billy Dillard at the Billy Dillard Art Show, and this is video 2 in the playlist. Glad you're here. Okay, so here we are back at the Fairy House. This is video 2 in the playlist. So if you haven't watched video 1, you definitely want to go back and watch that one, because then you can see the humble beginnings when we first started applying color to this wall. And you notice that it's dark at the bottom, lighter in the center, and a little bit darker at the top. Yeah, I definitely did that on purpose. I think it's really going to help the flowers and leaves around the mason jar windows to really pop once we get the color work done there. And as you can see, there is some color work starting on those flower arrangements. Okay, now you're going to be hearing this light squeak as I turn it around here, so bear with me. That's going to be the annoying sound you hear. Let's see, and you'll see some shadow effects. So I'm doing this on my own until my videographer gets here. I just couldn't help myself. So really want to give you some close-up on these leaves. These things are just really, they turned out really cool. I mean, check out the colors in there. What I was after, I wanted these the walls and the leaves and vines to have a really iridescent, magical type look. And I do believe we have accomplished that. You can see here on the little flower arrangement here, I'm getting started on that there. I just wanted to start throwing in some color as far as the green. So you can see more of what's going on with these leaves. That's the cool thing about using those mica colors, is I can just do layer over layer over layer with different colors, and by doing that I can get some really cool effects. So I wanted the leaves a little different color than the vines to kind of help separate them from the vines a little bit. You know, if I'd have done them exactly the same color, well, I don't think I'd have got the impact that I really wanted. But one of the things I like about it is when I'm applying the colors, they're kind of yeah, you got the color, but it's kind of milky because the clear is a milky consistency until it dries, and then the colors just pop out. So you don't really know what you're going to end up with until it cures out on you. This one here, you can see I've got quite a bit of purple. So I got green, gold, violet, and purple on this leaf here. Actually 2 or 3 different colored greens with all the other colors. These colors, I was really pleased with them. This is the first time I've used this lady's products. A friend of mine told me about her products, so I ordered them because I really like the idea that I could take these mica powders, mix them in my clears, and I can make them as translucent or really rich as I wanted, pretty much. I really like that idea. In the description area, I'm going to put the lady's business and her contact information if you're interested in getting these mica products from her. This was the first project I used them on, and I'm really happy with the results. Yeah, I will definitely use her products again on other projects in the future. I wanted something really different, and I do believe we've achieved it. I really like these leaves right over here. So make sure you come back and watch the future videos coming up, and because we'll be getting these flowers and things done, get the door installed, and on the door got to do some color work there, get the stained glass windows installed in that. So there's definitely more to come. And if you haven't been to my website, I'd really appreciate it if you go to my website and check out my blog that's there. Because in my blog, I'll usually do an article along with a video. So I try to cover the bases for the people who like to read compared to the ones who like watching videos. Make sure you leave a comment on my here and on my website, on my contact page. Maybe you want a whimsical house done and you'd love to have someone build it for you. If that's the case, just go to my contact page on my website and leave me a comment and let me know what you're looking for. Alright, thanks for being here, and check back to see what we have coming up in the future. Later.